Today, a buddy messaged wanting to see the Samsung S24 Ultra, and here it is. It cost me $10,699. That's 10 breakfasts worth. This guy's really going to be eating dirt. No kidding. Let's directly look at the phone. The version I bought is the 12 plus 50,000 and above in a grey color. The phone is right here inside. Oh, it's really a phone worth 10,000. Just one look and you can tell it's substantial. Opening this up, we have a manual, a SIM card pin, a warranty card, and a data cable. The design is quite clever. Unaware folks might think nothing was included since it's placed right at the top. Too smooth? Take a look at our phones. Looking at the back, there's not much difference from the previous generation. It's hard to tell which one is the S23 or the A7 just by the back. But it uses a metal middle frame, so it will be lighter than the previous generation and will make some "there's no more once more" scent. Smooth again. Let's take a look at the screen. Although they are both 6.8 inches in size, there's still a slight change from a curved screen. If it could have just a slight curve for a smoother transition, it would definitely feel better, especially for playing games and the overall user experience with a flat screen. The perception will be somewhat better. Similarly, it has a 2000 pixel screen, but its effectiveness is very good. And this features a 120 Hz high definition pure contrast. You can see its slim bezels. It will still be a bit narrower than the previous generation, and now it has also been upgraded to this year's flagship chip. Long Badgen is in third place, and moreover, he's at the top of Galping, meaning he's beyond 1,000 barrels. Compared to smartphones with Snapdragon 833 in the market, the performance is slightly better, especially in terms of imaging. This is what we care about the most. Its primary camera is still dual pixel, but the telephoto has been upgraded. With 50 million pixels, plus a 10 million pixel telephoto and a 12 million pixel ultra-wide angle, it seems the main camera hasn't upgraded much, just the telephoto. If you don't need to use it often, if you're shooting something from a great distance, actually, this upgrade can... He said it's negligible, but is there any difference between the Abyssal War and the previous generation? What's the difference? I also took a photo with the previous model for comparison. Can you see the difference from these samples? If we abandon performance and screen quality, it's actually quite similar to the S23 Ultra, but it's priced at $10,699. It does take good photos for those on a budget who like photography. If you can't afford such an expensive phone, this time you can look at the desk for a second-hand 95% new S23 Ultra. Like this one, it only costs $4,838 compared to the brand new $7,899. It's more than $3,000 cheaper and even $6,000 cheaper than another. Anyway, its value for money is very high right now. If you're interested, you might want to grab one and try it out for a few days. See if you believe me then. If you like support July 5th, even if it's brutal, it's fine.